Everybody had a decent Memorial weekend and they weren't freezing to death, unlike some of us, oy vey. So I got stuff in the mail. So from Amazon. So starting off, I got Cuccio. It's called the So Fun set. And it actually seems intense. It's not. It's actually their pastels. Lilac, like a sort of a palish peach. Greenish, that's a fuchsia color. Can't wait to look at that. And then there's, let me see. And then they include a silver glitter. You can see they include a silver glitter. And then they have a mint green, they have like a Pepto-Bismol pink, and they have a pale yellow. This is $12. Each one of these is 14 grams, so do the math. $12 divided by 8, that's a pretty good buy. So can these be used with the pour over system? Yeah. LED base coat? Sure. Can they be used with monomer as is? Yeah. They do mold very well, but drying time takes a really long time to dry. So what I'm planning on doing is getting some speed clear. I have some. I may need to get more. To mix some in with it to make the drying time faster. So, but yeah, you can use them. They do have another kit. They have more. One is a set of neons. That's under $18. They have one with glitters, small glitters, similar to what's on my thumb. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. It's similar to these glitters. It's a little bit bigger. There's silver hollow glitters, and there's a red, a silver, a royal blue, a gold. I can't remember the others, but that's a set of 8, and that's also $12. Then they have a set of nudes, a set of pinks and reds, like hot pinks and reds. And then they have 2 sets that are kind of odd. One of them looks like Tracy Ryerson's nails, that grayish lilac that she wears. Called Lilac Blossom. That's a little more. That's like 26, 27. And then there's another one, like Night in the City or something like that. That's also about 27, 28. But even so, it's divided by 8. It's still a good buy. And what I'm hoping to do is actually make them more than 14 grams. Like, hopefully get it up to an ounce. We'll see. So, yeah, it's actually pretty decent. This is a set from KADS. Now, if you look up dip powder, KADS dip powder, it doesn't come up. This didn't come up for me. I had to actually bring up one of their stamping plates. After I brought up a stamping plate, then I had to hit the word KADS, and a whole bunch of all their stuff from KADS came up. Then this showed up. I had this in my cart in April, I think it was, or March, and literally 24 hours later, it was gone. I was like, oh, okay. They were all gone. They were all sold out. So, and the one that I have is Fiery Love, and it's a set of 20 of them, and this was $25 for 20 of them. Each one is 10 grams. And so let me see, what do you get? You get some orange wood sticks. I guess I'm going to stick somebody's eyeball out. I personally don't use them. You get like a file buffer. You get a little dusty brush you can use, my brother. I think that's it. I don't think you get anything else with it. I am going to open it in a sec, so I would have to pause it. So, but, let me pause it. Okay, I'm in the living room. I didn't open it yet, but I wanted to show you. This is what the jars look like. Because this I got separately at the 328 sale from, come on, the 328 sale in AliExpress, which they have their official store there. So this is number 7. And this is included. But I got the set anyway, because this is a really pretty color. I don't know if you can tell the color. Come on. Yeah. Oh, it's like a plum shade. Pour over. This is a pour over with matte and shiny. And then this, if I can pick it up. Long nail problems. Come on. Come on, you rat bastard. Oh, for God's sakes. So it's more like a pinkish tone when you hit it with monomer. Ugh. Pick up that bastard. Trying to put it on the lid. Yeah, see, that's the difference. Ah, whatever, fine. Be that way. Yeah. So yeah, you can use it with monomer. You have to mix it with some clear. So let me go take that bundle apart. Okay. Oh, it took a while. So, because it was like double bagged. Okay, so yeah, dust brush, orange wood sticks, like a buffer thingy bobber. So you get like number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, then it jumps to 21, 24, 25, 5, 26, 27, and then it goes to 34, 35, 37, 39, and 40. So there are some glitters mixed in with it. I am going to swatch them all with a pour over. That I'm definitely going to do. Am I going to keep them all? Probably not, especially this one. If you want to know what this one looks like, yeah, Revel has something called Tiara, which, no offense to Revel, I'm just like, ugh. No. If you look it up, you'll see what I'm talking about. You're either going to be like, oh, wow, or you're going to be like, ah! So you're going to love it, you're going to be like, no way. So in the greens, maybe not. Not sure. So, yeah. But like I said, you can use these with monomer as long as you mix it with clear. Regular clear. I didn't have to use speed clear with that. I just used regular clear. And the clear that I used was Koopa. Koopa. So anyhow, yeah, keep an eye out and I will try to do the video. It's gonna probably later in the week. Because I have stuff to do and the garden. Anyhow. So thanks for watching. And like I said, yeah, the other thing about Cuccio is Cuccio has a website. They have a distributor called CuccioMidwest.com. And if you go to CuccioMidwest.com, register, and give them your phone number, you can get text messages. I have a code, which I haven't used yet, where I get 40% off an order. Again, I haven't used it. Anybody can register. Anybody can buy from CuccioMidwest.com. And you can get to see, and the swatches are so accurate. The other websites that have equal accuracy would be Dipwell, Double Dipped, and Revel. They're all just, well, Dipwell, yeah. Double Dipped in Revel, those two, I would say, more so. Yeah, Cuccio is pretty spot on, because again, I have one called Plum, and I have Lilac Blossom. It was so spot on, it's not even funny. So they also have their monomer, their regular acrylic, their colored acrylic. They have their gel polishes, regular polishes, and they also have one of the few major companies besides Koopa that has their odorless monomer. I think it's sold at CuccioMidwest.com, I'm not sure. If you know somebody who's a student and they need it for their school, or they need it for their house so that people don't start rioting and wearing gas masks and stuff. What else do they have? I'm missing something. Gel polish, regular polish. Oh, their spa stuff. They have some of their spa stuff. More of their spa stuff is on Amazon or the discount sites. Like Buy Nails, Beauty US, Nails West, NailWholesale.com. Yeah, more of their spa stuff is there. They do have some, but not too much. But anyhow, yeah, you can check them out. Pretty good. You know, the reason why I'm checking out Cuccio and KADS and Revel is so, you know, it's more variety of color. Why not? They may have a color that you haven't seen, or you're like, oh, especially for those of you who love the nudes and the odd colors. Yeah, Revel's got a bunch. So, and I haven't done KADS yet, so let's see what they got. So anyhow, well, I hope you have a good week. And try not to freeze, or try not to boil to death, or whatever. summer. We're gonna love it. Anyhow, oh, have a good day. Bye.